Hi dear. Today we have to learn how to find out multiple values for these keyword. That's called partial text lookup. Let's see how do we achieve this. You can see this apple is located multiple times and we have to find out multiple values for apple separated by pipe symbol. How do we do that? Let's see. So today we are going to learn filter function. Inside filter, we have to pass this entire array. Once we do that, we have to lock it by pressing F4 one time. Inside array, we have to mention search function that's called to find out all the values position. You can search D2 over there and you can press F4 and see that we have got this formula ready. So filter function got three argument, array include that is called Boolean algebra. If none of the value is found, then we can use this optional if empty, but we are skipping it for the time being. This result is not coming because this is getting me error. And you can see the position of apple 7, 14, and so on. So you can convert this formula into Boolean algebra is number. So once you convert this into is number, that will get you true and false value, and see that the formula is not spelling the value. But still, if you apply this formula somewhere else and see that your answer is coming. Let me copy this, Control C. Let me do that, Control V. All the values are coming. And now you can use concat function, and inside concat you can concatenate with vertical bar and see that result is populated. Now you can copy again this formula, Control C equal to Control V. The formula is working and you can see that the result is populated. Since I'm learning this on online Excel, that's why we are getting that error because of some formatting issue, but still you can see the result is populated and see that output is coming. So like that, you can, fetch multiple values and this result is coming wherever you have apple is located. All the values is concatenated and delimited by vertical bar. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much.